Stephen Brown here with Reliable Delivery. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to enter a stat delivery request as well as track your order. So first of all, I would just like to point out that make sure that you get to the correct customer portal. At the top here, you can see the email address, and we can also send you the correct link in your username and password. But just to highlight this, it's just the portal.e-courier.com, and that'll take you right to the login page, and then you can log in with your credentials and get started. For this example, I'm using one of our current customers. It is a non-medical customer, so we're not in a HIPAA violation of any sort. So let's get started. Place your order. You click on Place Order, and then you go ahead and select the date. I'm going to leave this here because we'll just pretend this is a live order ready to go today. And then you can select the time. So if you had a future delivery that you needed to request, you could change the date here, and then you could adjust the time there. Always enter your name, phone number, and email. That way, if our customer care or dispatch team has any questions about the delivery, they can easily access your contact information and call you right away. Going down the screen here for the pickup location, you're just going to enter the building name or department of where you're at, street address, city, state, zip code, and then any important notes that you want us to know. Maybe it's an exact time pickup at 10 o'clock. Maybe we have to see a certain person or call when we're 15 minutes away from pickup. You would enter right here, and then always enter a contact name and phone number for somebody at the pickup site so our driver can reach out if they have any questions. If you want to create an address book, you simply would just click on this tab right here, and it would save the address after you place the order automatically. Same thing with the delivery side. Go through and fill out all the different fields here for your delivery location. Always put a contact name and phone number, and then you can save to the address book as well. Scrolling back up, service details, you would just always select stat delivery. So stat service. Package type, you don't really have to worry about that because it's always pretty much small parcel for Henry Ford. Pieces and weight, you can just enter, maybe it's 5 bags or 5 packages, whatever it is, and then the weight, go ahead and enter it there. Vehicle type, always select car only. Declared value, don't really have to worry about that. Description, you could put, lab specimens, pharmaceuticals, whatever we're transporting for you. This field right here, order references, feel free to bypass this. This field is not needed. Email notifications. You could set yourself up, or whoever, to receive an automated email notification when the delivery's been picked up or completed. So all you have to do is just basically, click on email, type in your email address, and then select the option of when it's been delivered or picked up, or even created. And you'll get an automated email notification when the delivery's finished. Any additional notes that you think are important to this delivery, enter them into here. Even if it's repetitive, the more reminders that we have, the better job that we're going to do for you to make sure we're doing your delivery correctly. One of my very favorite options is the Easy Ship tab. If you click on this, you're going to be able to name your delivery. Maybe it's like the delivery to the main lab or whatever you want to name it. And then when you click Place Order, it's going to save this entire delivery ticket from beginning to the end with all your addresses, notes, everything. So that way, next time you log in, you can just go up to the Easy Ship dropdown, and then a list will auto-populate, and you can click on that particular delivery, and everything will autofill from beginning to end, and then just hit Place Order, and it sends it right to our dispatch board, and that makes life a lot easier. That is basically how you enter a stat delivery request. The next option I'm going to show you here is how to track an order. If you have the order number, you can enter it in keywords and hit the search icon. If you do not, you can just simply select the date range and hit the search icon. And all the deliveries we've done for that particular date range will appear on this side of the screen. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this delivery is the one I'm going to take a look at. and all of the tracking information will show up here on the right side. You can see at the top there's a highlighted Google map of where it was picked up, where it was delivered to, and the route that this particular driver took to make the delivery. And then if you scroll down, there's timestamps for when the delivery was picked up, when it was delivered. And if you go down even further, there is a picture of the signed paperwork, and you can expand this. You can print it out from here. You can save it for your records. You can also turn it into like a proof of delivery, a PDF. And here's some other options as well. If you left click over this print icon, you can turn this into a shipping label. This is a very popular option in the medical industry. And as you can see, it has all the delivery details. It creates a UPC scanning barcode here. So you can scan on and off for the delivery and other information. You can also print out like a proof of delivery and some other features as well. Last page I will show you is the reports tab. You really don't have to worry about this. If you need a report, feel free to reach out to us. We'll put together any kind of report that you need. Maybe it's an on-time report, maybe it's like a sales numbers report or whatever, and we can send it over for you. Other than that, that is a quick, brief tutorial. If you need help on the web portal, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can shoot me an email. It's sbrown, so SBROWN, at reliabledelivery.com, or feel free to text me or give me a call. My cell phone number is 313-392-3820. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope it makes your workday easier. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.